sliding blues ninth chords. It's just something, if you watch the short, I was talking about how to add a little variation to your rhythm playing by sliding the chord up. And of course I watched back, and let me show you a little more detail what I'm doing there. So if you got this ninth form, or let's take the easier ninth form first, this one. For those not aware how to make that ninth chord, take your middle finger. You're not going to be playing the low E string, so don't worry about playing the low E string. And the root note, or the name of the chord, is on the A string. And I'm taking my middle finger, or my second finger, and putting it at the 8th fret, because I'm playing in a blues in the key of C, and I'm playing the 4 chord, which is an F9. At the 8th fret on the A string, and then take your first finger, put it on the 7th fret of the D string. So there you got the first two notes. Now this is where it gets a little difficult. If someone knows an easier way to do it, more power to you, but this is how I learned it. I'm barring the G string, the B string, and the high E string at the 8th fret with my third finger. And as you can see how I'm doing that, I'm kind of like got it at that type of an angle. Not that extreme, because I'm trying to show you what it looks like, but you can see my finger, my knuckles kind of flattened out that finger. I just dropped my pick so I can get those notes to ring clear. So what I'm doing when when I'm playing those slides, all I'm doing is I'm going up a whole step. I'm at the 8th fret, right? I'm going up to the 10th, and then I'm going back to the 8th. 10, 10. That's all I'm doing. I'm picking up my pick, sorry. Oh, fart. So there you go. Now, same thing with this form. Going up a whole step, up to the 9th fret. You can get a lot of mileage out of when you're playing blues, slow or fast. You can do it in a fast blues, you know, like. Or you can do it in a slow blues as well. If you ever heard Stormy Monday, you know, I switch keys on you down to G. But it works in fast blues and slow blues, and it's a fairly simple technique. All you need to do is slide up a whole step, and then slide up 2 frets or whole step, and then slide back. And really, I don't want to make this an epic long video of time, because time is important. If you're having troubles doing the whole chord, just do the bottom part. And you don't have to worry about the sound quantity or quality diminishing because you're not playing a full chord. In fact, if your bass player's solid and your drummer's solid and they're laying it down, if you play the higher parts, the bass will come out. You'll be able to hear the bass better because you're not playing the bass notes. Anyway, have a great day. I'm Isaiah Neal. I really do appreciate you watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Please subscribe, like, or even dislike. Hit one of the buttons. Just do something. Thank you. Have a great day.